Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and I'll show you how to check the device model. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll all the way down to the about tablet section. Here just tap to the software information. Oh, sorry, the model. Here we got the section with the model name, model number, serial number, and here you can see the model of our device, the Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and the model number is SMT733. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.